Hello, good evening. Okay, so I just have a mail insert. This is kind of like newspaper, no, like magazine paper material. And it was just a Harbor Freight coupon book for probably the month of May or something. Anyway, I got it in the mail and I've already taken the staples out, so I'm going to be cutting this as a sheet just like this and using my largest tool to roll some of these. I will be cutting it this way. Okay, we will get back together when I have these cut. All right, bye. Hello, good evening. Okay, so as you see, I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 4, 6, 7. Yes, I only have 7 of them right here because I have to keep these together. I can't just lump them all in one section and start working on them. So there are 12 pieces of paper in each of these little stacks. So I have the rest of it right here. So I got about half the page done, and I'll just have to do it in increments. I just don't have enough space on my table to accommodate the whole cut pieces of paper. So we will roll these and see what they look like and get back when we get back together. Okay, bye. Hello. Good evening. Okay, so I have finished rolling those 7, and this is how they turned out. Let's just grab one. And this is the general shape, and I forgot to mention in the last video, but I did cut these at 5/8. Yeah, 5/8. So I'm going to switch it up, and I'm going to cut the other half of those papers at 3/4 and see what the difference is. And when we get back together, I will show you what the difference between these and the other ones are. Okay, all right, bye. Hello, good evening. Okay, so I'm going to show you. Okay, so this batch here I cut at 3/4 of an inch, and this batch here I cut at 5/8. So I just want to take 2 of these here and try to show you the shape difference. Yeah, it's not a big difference. It's not a big change, except this one here and this red one. This was the end one, so it didn't. It kind of looks funky, but anyway, yeah, this is what the 3/4 ones look like. These are definitely very fat beads. Now, I like making these beads with the magazine page stuff like this, but to keep in mind when you go to varnish these, this material sucks that varnish up, and these will get kind of heavy, you know, until they, you know, start drying and whatever. So keep that in mind when you do have your bead rack and when you are drying stuff, that if you do make these type of beads, they do end up absorbing a lot of your wood hardener and then polyacrylic, and they will, you know, weigh down your strings or whatever you happen to be using. But anyway, that's just something I've noticed. But if you don't make beads, don't worry about it. But anyway, this is how these ones turned out, and this is what I got from that Harbor Freight coupon book. Okay, all right, thanks for watching. Bye.